Hey there, today I will show you how to return Trendyol products. If you purchase anything from Trendyol, then you have 30 days to try on your new outfits. If you are not happy with your order, you can simply send back any item you don't want to keep for free. Just follow these steps. For first, go to trendyol.com and log into your account with your email. Then from your profile icon here, you will see an option my order. Just select it. Then you will see your orders here. Then go your my returns, then create your return level, then pack your items, then drop your package at the nearest drop off point, then return approval and refund. You then from the orders, just print out, and then add it, and that's how you can return Trendyol products. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give a like and subscribe our channel for more tricks.